Hey guys, welcome to this physics review series for chapter 7. We're going to start from the basics with the structure of the atom. So the first thing we're going to talk about are these things called subatomic particles. The sub in subatomic gives a clue to what these particles are, as they are the particles that make up atoms. The first of these particles that we need to talk about are called protons, and these are particles that have a positive charge. They're usually shown in standard drawings and diagrams with the color red, because that's associated with a positive charge. The next type of important subatomic particles are called neutrons, and neutrons have no charge or a neutral charge, like the name suggests. Next up are electrons, which are usually drawn smaller than the other two subatomic particles discussed, and electrons have a negative charge. Together, these three particles make up all atoms. So now that we know what particles make up atoms, we need to know the structure these particles are arranged in. There are two main parts to an atom, a nucleus in the center and an electron cloud, as it's sometimes referred to, on the outside. These are where all the particles are located. The nucleus of an atom contains both protons and neutrons, all tightly packed densely in the center of the atom, while all the electrons float around according to some quantum rules in the electron cloud on the outside. These are the two main parts. More in-depth information about the structure should be in another video, but it is important to know that there are different models for the structure of an atom, one with a tightly dense nucleus and an electron cloud, another one with a nucleus and electron shells, and even a more complex one with 3D shells that tries to more closely model actual interactions observed. A nice summary of the structure of an atom can be obtained by looking at the similarities between all the different models. They all have a tightly packed nucleus. The nucleus is very, very, very small compared to the entire atom, and the electrons move around the nucleus somehow. Again, it is important to emphasize the charges of the subatomic particles we talked about, protons being positive, neutrons being neutral, and electrons having a negative charge. That's it.